7 minus 5 times 7 minus 5 looks simple, but I already know you're going to mess this up. Most people see 7 minus 5 and think, that's 2. Then 2 times 7 minus 5, they get confused and start guessing. Some say 4, some say 14. Stop. Look at the structure. First, the parentheses. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Now the problem is 7 minus 5 times 2. And here's where everyone falls apart. You have to do the multiplication before the subtraction. 5 times 2 is 10. 7 minus 10 is -3. The answer is -3. Not 2, not 4, -3. People forget that multiplication always beats subtraction. They want to go left to right because it feels natural. But math doesn't care about your feelings. The rules are the rules. Negative answers always surprise people. If you got this one wrong, you're not alone. Most people do. Hit like if this taught you something, and subscribe. I've got a whole collection of problems waiting to humble you.